please don't comment on my... I just washed my hair, okay? But we're going to cook keropok leko and beef bacon. So it's here, it's defrosting, and let's get to it. Okay guys, do you like my new look? It's like, you know, instead behind, you put at the side. Yes. I'm excited about keropok leko, and this is it. It's here. It's supposed to work. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave my hair looking like this. Ridiculous and disgusting. But let's get cooking! Now all we have to do is turn the fire on and wait for it to sizzle. Now we just wait and stare at the bacon. But first, we flip it. Yes, like pancakes. We turn it. No, I'm not a vampire. I don't turn people into vampires. Mine's a little burnt. And then you put it on a plate and pretend you did a good job. Like this. Okay, now I'm gonna cook the keropok leko. I don't know if this is dangerous, but I'm gonna put oil in the pan. And hopefully this will turn out well. Okay guys, this might be very dangerous, so you have to stand back. I'll put you back here. Here. I've got my glasses from when I was cooler. Yeah, okay. I've got all my safety gear on. Let's do this. Oh my god, I just got a bite of one and they're freaking delicious. Delicious. Okay guys, I guess that means it's the end of the cooking show. For delicious keropok leko and delicious beef bacon. I'm gonna see you maybe, I don't know if there might be a video tomorrow or something, I don't know. But see you next time. Bye!